In search of economy, reliability in equipment, and quality services for your company? Acting in the market since 1982, headquartered in Rio de Janeiro and also present in Sao Paulo, AirParts is a company specialized in compressed air solutions for both industrial applications and civil construction. AirParts has diversity of equipment. Technical feasibility and energy efficiency studies are carried out in order to optimize the compressed air needed in your company. Considered as a reference in the rental and sale of compressors, takes precedence over maintaining a constant renewal of its fleet with first-line equipment, provides a structure of support and service that gives the necessary tranquility to its customers, making available a wide network of processes which have adequate storage, support from suppliers of parts for maintenance and equipment, besides an own fleet for delivery and preventive and corrective maintenance, inclusive being authorized partner of one of the most largest manufacturers of compressors and compressed air systems in the world, Compressors. In recent years, in partnership with its contributors in engineering, AirParts comes opting for Compressors brand, which is unanimously the most accepted in the market due to its technical reliability, generating greater effects on compressed air quality, energy efficiency, and durability of the equipment. AirParts is technically prepared at Brazil level, with multi-brand service, where it has short, medium, and long-term rentals, serves the entire national territory in whole compressed air segment. The result is the fulfillment of deadline and security for your processes. AirParts, compressed air solutions.